Or is a big ball. My beloved girl said she only danced with me if I gave her a red rose. But there is no red rose in this cold winter. Oh dear, I'm worried about the red rose. But there is no red rose in the cold winter.
Humph! Without a red rose, how can I dance with you? I don't want to lose face at the ball. I need a beautiful red rose to match my beauty.
Wait, Ali! This love is so out of reach. My love can't even match a red rose. Dear, wait!
Look at the poor young man. So worried about love. Love is so beautiful. I must help him to find a red rose. Trip, you've been here for years. Could you tell me where can I get a red rose?
Nightingale, there are no roses on my branches in this cold winter. But there is a way.
What way? Please tell me quickly. I'll pay any price.
You must water my branches with your blood and sing your most beautiful song under moonlight all night. Then my branch will grow a new rose. It's a difficult and dangerous process. Have you thought it through?
I know, Dad. But I'm willing to pay the price. Because love, the beauty, like the warm sun in spring, warming every heart. For the young man's love dream, for the beautiful love in the world, I'm willing to pay everything.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure to give your whole life to a stranger?
I'm sure.
Nonsense.
I hope the rose will bloom soon, so that the boy can dance with his girl in the grand ball.
My dear. My dear Nightingale, why are you doing this? Sacrificing yourself for a human's love.
I can't stop. Love needs everyone's protection, and I believe the young man's love is sincere. I need to help him.
No, stop, please. You'll be dying.
Here is your rose.
Here is the rose. Why you so